Last case, hit pause here for a second and figure out what's going on throughout this entire graph. One of the key things we want to be able to describe is exactly the motion that's being described in each portion of our graph. So take a second, press pause, think about the motion that's happening in each interval here, and then maybe write that down in your notes, and then press play again, and let's go through what's happening. Okay, now that you've tried this yourself, let's look at this first couple seconds. The first 3 seconds starts at a position of 5 meters and goes up to 20 meters at a constant speed. So it's moving at constant speed going away from our 0 point. Then at the next 2 seconds, seconds 3 to second 5, the very top here we have a flat graph, which means it's moving at a constant speed of 0. So it is not moving at all. It stays in stopped. So this person walked away, moved away from the origin at a constant speed, stopped from seconds 3 to seconds 5, now starts moving back towards the origin at a constant speed. From 5 to 6, it goes back to 10. From 6 to 7, it goes to 0. So now reaches the origin, keeps going in that negative direction until it gets to negative 10 at the time. The next time interval. Then it stops here at the flat part at the bottom, and then picks up speed, going back towards the origin in the positive direction, and then stops at the last 2 time block intervals. So we'll want to be able to do that. We'll also want to be able to, given a description of the motion, draw a basic sketch of what the graph is going to look like. Your lab will give you a good chance to practice this. Then the lab we're going to do on Friday, we'll get a graph that looks like this, and you'll try to walk in a way that matches the graph. So lots of practice with this.